Action. How's your first week of school going?
Good. Yours?
It's alright. I get a free period last period, so that's alright.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Can't park in the student parking lot anymore. It's faculty now.
Yeah.
What up, Huskies?
Hey guys, I'm Lila Orban,
I'm Anthony Alpazar.
and this is the Hills Report.
Here are today's announcements.
Let's get this out of the gate since there's already been a high volume of dress code violations with like 98% of them from girls. Midriffs, lack of shoulder straps, and shorts anything less than mid-thigh are all inappropriate to an educational setting, so put your belly buttons and bottoms out of sight, please. Otherwise, don't be surprised if you're sent up to the office to wear a pair of gym shorts or larger than needed t-shirt for the rest of the day.
For guys, make sure your attire is appropriate. No profanity or inappropriate references to drugs, sex, or gangs.
Huskies, this week is Battle of the Bones week. We need you to get your crazy Husky spirit on. Today is Battle of Classes, so we need to see you wearing a lot of your class colors today. Tomorrow is Prepare for Battle, so we want you all dressed in black. Finally, Friday is Husky Pride Rally Day. Dress in all your Husky blue and green, everyone.
The 2019 Welcome Back Dance is this Friday. Tickets for ASB cardholders is $5 and $10 with ID. Prices will go up after Wednesday. You must have a dance contract on file at the student store. Purchase your tickets today in the student store.
Lastly, Battle of the Bones is this Saturday at Ayala. Gates open at 5:30 and we want everyone in white. We need to bring the bone back this year.
Ayala's not allowed to repeat.
Yeah, you can pick up a dog pound shirt this week at the student store.
Drivers, parking permits are required. Please purchase your parking permit within the first 2 weeks of school to avoid ticket or tow. Please remember, students may park only in the front student parking lot. Pick up your parking permit application from the student store as soon as possible.
Club Rush starts next week. Everyone needs to get out to center ice at the student entrance to see which awesome clubs are there for you. Trust us, there is something for everyone, so we'll see you there starting Monday.
Are you still trying to start your own club? Remember, you need at least 7 students to start a club, and the needed forms are available in the ASB room now. Even if you were an established club last year, you still need to submit the forms. Otherwise, how are they supposed to know you're still in existence?
Anyone looking to spice up their college applications or work resumes ought to try out Tutoring your fellow peers. Ms. Suriano in the counseling department is looking to enlist students who excel in any given subject area to help others, whether they're in the same grade or younger who need some assistance in those areas. Stop by the counseling room and talk to Ms. Suriano to sign up.
Students, National Honor Society is now accepting applications for the 2019 to 2020 school year. Applications and club criteria for juniors and seniors is now available on Mrs. Stowe's SchoolWires website. The application deadline is August 30th at 2:30 p.m. to room 253. Mrs. Stowe can answer any questions in there.
Are you interested in Japanese culture, traditions, history, food? The Japanese Culture Club is looking for anyone who's passionate about the amazing country and its culture. See Mr. Misawa in room 267 for more details.
Hey Huskies, do you have an interesting story you want to tell? A topic you want to share with others? Music that you love? Films that you want to talk about? Issues that concern you? Mr. Misawa would like to start a student-centered podcast called The Bark on campus and looking for a few good men and women to start it. Please stop by room 267 for details on how we can start the new podcasting club.
Digital is organizing another New York City trip, Huskies. Anyone is welcome to join this trip. They do awesome things such as visit NBC studios, including the Saturday Night Live set, and see Broadway shows. If you want to join this awesome trip, head over to Mr. Rowland's room in 127, which is the M2 building past the mods for more information. Otherwise, for digital, your next major meeting will be Friday during lunch after Club Rush Week.
ROP class registration is open. Some exciting classes offered include registered dental assistant, medical assistant, or pharmacy clerk. ROP also offers classes in veterinary assistance, auto repair, cybersecurity, law enforcement, welding, and firefighting. ROP classes offer great career training and are free to you as a high school student. Stop by the Career Center for a complete class listing or to register, or check out the ROP link on the Career Center webpage.
College presentations are starting soon. Upcoming college presentations include Art Center on August 28th, UCLA on September 4th, University of Redlands and Cal State Fullerton on September 6th, UC Santa Barbara on September 10th, University of the Pacific on September 12th. To attend a presentation, you need to have a permission slip signed by your teacher. Go to the Career Center in room 172 to sign up and get a permission slip. Visit the Career Center website for a complete listing of upcoming college presentations.
Do you currently have a job? Did you apply for a work permit last school year or this summer? If so, your work permit has expired and you need to get a new one. Go to the Career Center or the Career Center website for a new work permit application today.
If you're interested in playing for girls' golf team, please see Coach Misawa as soon as possible in room 267. This is the last week to respond.
There are several sports tryouts coming up soon, Huskies. Check them out on the screen right now, and good luck to anyone going for a particular sport. But please don't forget that you must have completed an athletic physical clearance first before you're allowed to try out. Stop by the athletic center or visit chhhuskies.com for more information.
Hey Huskies, sometimes we all need reminders to keep our heads up and focus on the good in life. It can be tough sometimes, but everyone working at the school has your back, and our peer leadership students are going to start incorporating Wellness Wednesday tips into Hill's Report episodes going forward.
Our first tip of the year is to get moving. Sedentary behavior, sitting or lying down while awake, has been linked to a shorter lifespan and a wide range of medical problems. Anytime you get up and move, you're improving your chances for good health. Try taking a break from homework or surfing social media to take a 10 to 15 minute walk every day. As an added benefit, an outdoor walk will get you some fresh air, which is proven to lower stress levels. Try it and you'll feel the difference.
That's it for today. Once again, welcome back to a new school year. And remember to be safe, respectful, responsible, and ready to learn every day. Have a great week, Huskies. You know what? After all of this, I really need a walk.
Yeah, I'm gonna, Popeyes has a new chicken sandwich, so I'm gonna go try that.
Oh, really?
Uh-huh.
Dang.